How to make money on YouTube. Tips and tricks. What's up everybody? It's your boy Rick, and we're back with another video. This time we're diving deep into the world of YouTube and figuring out how to turn your passion into some serious cash. That's right, we're talking about making money on YouTube, baby. I'm gonna break down all the ways you can start raking in those dollar bills from ad revenue to merch and everything in between. We're talking big numbers, life-changing money, the kind of stuff that makes you want to jump in a pool of cash. But before we get ahead of ourselves, let's talk about the real secret sauce. Hard work and dedication. It's not gonna be easy, but trust me, the payoff is worth it. So buckle up, grab your notebooks, and get ready to learn how to become the next YouTube millionaire. Ad revenue, your first million views. Alright guys, let's kick things off with the bread and butter of YouTube income: ad revenue. You know those ads that play before your favorite videos? Yeah, those bad boys can actually make you some serious dough. I'm talking about getting a cut of every dollar those companies spend to reach your awesome audience. But hold your horses, there's a catch. You gotta hit a few milestones first. Think of it like a video game, gotta level up your channel. To unlock the ad revenue treasure chest, you'll need at least 1,000 subscribers. That's right, 1,000 awesome people who believe in your content enough to hit that subscribe button. And on top of that, you gotta clock in 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months. That's like a whole lot of binge watching. But don't worry, if you're creating killer content and putting in the work, those numbers will climb faster than a cheetah on a sugar rush. And once you hit those magic numbers, boom, you're officially part of the YouTube Partner Program, raking in that sweet, sweet ad revenue. YouTube Premium, the VIP experience. Okay, so we've talked about ad revenue, but what if I told you there's a way to level up your earnings even further? That's right, we're talking about YouTube Premium, the VIP section of the YouTube world. Now here's the deal. Some viewers are tired of those pesky ads just as much as you are, so they subscribe to YouTube Premium, which gives them ad-free viewing, exclusive content, and other cool perks. And guess what? When your videos are watched by these premium members, you get a slice of their subscription fees. It's like a bonus level unlocked. The best part is, you don't need to do anything extra. Just keep creating awesome content that keeps those premium members coming back for more. The more they watch, the more you earn. It's a win-win situation, so encourage your viewers to join the premium crew and watch those earnings skyrocket. Chapter 3. Super Chat, where fans fuel your dreams. Alright guys, let's talk about Super Chat, the ultimate way for your biggest fans to show their love and support, while also helping you pay your bills. Imagine this. You're live streaming, interacting with your awesome community, and suddenly, BAM! A message pops up in a bright color. Impossible to miss. That's a Super Chat, a message from a viewer who paid to have their comment pinned to the top of the chat for a certain amount of time. The brighter and bolder the message, the more they paid. It's like a virtual tip jar, but way more fun and engaging. And the best part is, you get to keep a big chunk of that Super Chat money. You can use it to reinvest in your channel, buy new equipment, or even treat yourself to something nice. You deserve it. Plus, Super Chat creates an awesome feedback loop. Your viewers get to stand out from the crowd and directly support your work, and you get rewarded for creating content they love. Chapter 4. Merch. Madness, from t-shirts to empires. Alright, let's talk about turning your loyal viewers into walking, talking billboards for your brand with merch. That's right, we're talking about selling your own custom-designed t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, phone cases, you name it. All branded with your awesome channel logo, catchphrases, or inside jokes. It's like creating your own mini empire. Think about it. Every time someone rocks your merch, they're not just showing off their awesome fashion sense, they're spreading the word about your channel to the world. It's like free advertising, but way cooler. Plus, it's a fantastic way to connect with your viewers on a deeper level. Let them rep their favorite creator and be a part of something special. Chapter 5. Affiliate Marketing. Sharing is caring and earning. Alright, for the final level of YouTube money-making mastery, let's dive into the world of affiliate marketing. Now, this one's all about sharing awesome products or services that you love with your audience and earning a commission for every sale you help make. Think of it like being a superhero sidekick for your favorite brands. You find products or services that your viewers would genuinely benefit from, you share your unique affiliate link with them, and if they make a purchase through your link, you get a percentage of the sale. It's like a virtual high five and a thank you from the brand for spreading the word. The key here is to be authentic and only promote products or services that you truly believe in. Your viewers trust your opinion, so don't abuse that trust by pushing something just for the sake of a quick buck. Find products that align with your channel's niche and that you know your audience will love. You'll be surprised how much money you can make by simply recommending stuff you already use and enjoy. Outro, now go make millions. So there you have it, folks. 5 awesome ways to monetize your YouTube channel and turn your passion into a profitable empire. Remember, it all starts with creating high-quality content that people love. Focus on providing value, entertaining your audience, and being yourself. The road to YouTube success isn't always easy, but trust me, it's worth every single ounce of effort. So keep grinding, keep hustling, and never give up on your dreams. And who knows, maybe one day, I'll be featuring your channel as a shining example of YouTube success. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe if you're new to the channel, and leave a comment down below letting me know which money-making method you're most excited to try. Until next time, peace out. May the Lord bless you.